Hello students, how are you doing? I'm glad to be with you for another time. Today I want to review Unit 5 Lesson 1. Unit 5 Lesson 1 is about asking about plural things and singular things. And short answer. Look at. We have is for singular things, are for plural things. And if we look at the structure, the best example, look at here. Questions, short answers. There is, there are. But if we ask about the thing is, we change the place is and are with there. We have to use is, are at the beginning of the sentence and question mark at the end of the sentence. So, if we look at the first one is about singular things. Talking about, asking about singular thing is, we use is and a in the sentence. Why a? Because it is used for indefinite article. Indefinite article. Look at. Is there a computer? Question mark. If there is, we say yes, there is. If there is not a computer, we say no, there isn't. Look at this example. We have a dash dash a TV, a TV. Because we have a, we have to ask about is. Why? Because a is used for one thing. Is there a computer? Oh, I'm sorry. Is there a TV? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Because we have no, the answer is no, we put another not at the end of the sentence. And if we talk about it, ask about plural things, we use are. Are there any computers? Are at the beginning of the sentence. Is plural at the end of the word that we ask about. And we have any in the sentence. Any in the sentence for plural things. Are there any computers? Yes, there are. Why are? Because we asked about it, plural things. Dash dash any beds. Dash dash any beds. Because we have any and is in the sentence, we put are for plural things and is for plural things and any for plural things. Are there any beds? The answer is no. Because there is no, we have to say no, there aren't. No, there aren't. Why are? Because we asked about plural. And why not? Because the answer is no. So, we said is a for singular things and are any is for plural things. If we ask about the number of the things, we have to use how many. How many for asking about the number of the things. Look at how many showers are there. We ask about the number of the things. How many showers are there? One. The answer is one. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe three, maybe four, maybe five, etc. Look at this example. How dash beds dash there? We say we have to say how many, because we ask about the number of the things. And here, beds. How many beds are there? Not is, because there is at the end of the noun bed. It is plural. How many beds are there? There aren't any beds, so the answer is none. None means what? There aren't any beds. It is okay to say there aren't any beds and to say none, the answer. So in brief, this one is about asking about singular things and plural things. We said is a in the sentence. We ask about singular, and are, any, is at the end of the noun that we ask about. They are used for plural things. If we ask about the number of the things, we have to use how many at the beginning of the sentence. And the word that we ask about, we have to put after how many. How many showers are there? How many hours are there? Okay, if we go back, here we have next to, near, opposite. These are called what? Preposition of place. Preposition of place. Look at here. What is preposition of place? We have here, we have many things. Which one is opposite each other? Which one is next to? Which one is near to each other? Look at this example. Look at this square. Look. We have happy face. Two happy faces here. Next to. Next to. And we have another two happy faces near. Near. They are near each other. They are near each other. But here we have next to. The both of them are very near. And we have another two happy faces opposite. Look at the faces. We see one eyes and one eye. Means what? They are opposite of each other. So here we have three preposition of place. Next to, near, opposite. Just you can write down next to, near, opposite by seeing the picture. If there is no picture, you cannot put anyone. But if we see the pictures, you know whether they are next to, near, or opposite. We have what? We have something here. When you come into the space station on the right, there are two bedrooms. There aren't any beds, but there are some sleeping bags. So means what? Here we have some. Some is used for plural things, but the answer is yes. If the answer is yes, we say some. There are some sleeping bags. But if there is nothing or there aren't anything, we say there aren't any sleeping bags. But if there are, we say there are some sleeping bags. So it means what? Some in positive sentence, any in negative sentence. Look at your notebook. We have good examples. Please, good time for your students.